Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing a handbag that quickly sold out when it was released last year, and it just recently came back in stock, and girl, I hurried up and grabbed it before it went back out of stock. I have a love for handbags, so I was willing to hold out for this handbag in this particular color. If you love handbags like I do, then please consider subscribing to my channel for more luxury handbag content. So first of all, I have to say that I love the packaging. I don't think I've ever ordered anything directly from the Coach store before, so I really like it. So as you can see, it's still all wrapped up. When I open it up, it'll be my first impression, so you get to see my real honest reaction to what this bag looks like. And then depending on how that goes, I think I'll do a little bit of a review. So let's open her up. Now keep in mind, I've never seen this bag in person, so I can't wait to see what it looks like. And I was holding out for this particular color, and here it is in the dust bag. So what I picked up was the Coach Empire Carryall in Merlot. Oh, the color is so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna take a closer look and I'll be right back.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so I really wanted to look this over very carefully because I feel like this was a return, like somebody bought it and brought it back to the store. Just because this is the tag, the price tag, and it looks like the price tag was cut off the bottom, which is sometimes what people do if they're gifting an item. So wanted to look it over very carefully just to make sure, and it looks like it's in really good condition. They packaged it really nicely for shipping, which I appreciate. As you can see, it's stuffed with tissue paper, and the inside of the bag is very well protected. So I think this first came out last summer, right before the fall time, and this color sold out so quickly, but it was available in all the other colors. It came in a navy blue color, black, and brown. Then when this one sold out, I guess it took forever to come back in stock, and I was just randomly scrolling Instagram one day and saw that it was in stock, and I quickly added it to my cart and checked out. When I looked on the website this morning, it was still in stock, so if you're interested, you better grab it. So the reason that I bought this bag is because I need a new work bag. And aside from loving the color, I wasn't sure if this type of bag was my style. I usually prefer totes, and this is more of an elongated bag as opposed to like a square or up and down rectangular shaped bag. But I thought I'd give it a try and see if I like it. Right off the bat, one thing that I don't really like is the strap. So maybe I'll show you a little mod shot on the side here, but this strap is really long, and I adjusted it to the last hole, and it still seems really long on me. And just because the bag is so big, and I'm sure when you put your things in it, it'll be really heavy, I feel like someone of my height, it might overwhelm them and be too heavy, maybe have some back pain, I don't know. But it just seems like I would never probably use this strap and carry this bag crossbody or on my shoulder. So I feel like that's like a little bit of a waste right there. What I do wish is that they had made these handles longer. Like if they were long enough to just sling over my shoulder, I think this would be perfect for me. And then the other thing that I wish were different is this Coach insignia. It's in, I feel like it's in gold foil, and I feel like it just cheapens the bag. Like I wish it was in some type of, you know, even like a metal plate or something like that wouldn't make it look so cheap. I feel like this might rub off easily. I don't know. For a bag that costs, I think this costs like $700. I feel like they could have done something different with that. And then the chain that holds the tag, this gold chain right here, feels really cheap. So I'm gonna take some of the stuffing out so that we could take a look inside. So that's what the inside looks like. It has this brown fabric material, kind of feels a little bit suede-ish, but I don't think it's suede. And then it has one large inside pocket, and then it has these straps on the side that you can open up and it'll expand a little more. I don't want to take too much of the packing material off until I decide whether or not it's going to work for me and if I should keep it. So it says it holds a 13-inch laptop, and my work laptop is 13 inches, so just curious to see if it'll fit. And it fits so well. So I could definitely use this for work. I also have a 14-inch laptop, so let's see if it fits. So a 14-inch laptop does fit in here, and I'm able to zip it. And just with this laptop in here, this is so heavy. So just imagine slinging this across your body and trying to carry it along with all the other things that you put in your bag. So my final thoughts on this bag are, I really like the color. I love how it has like these dark burnished burgundy on the top and then kind of towards the bottom. I love that ombre or gradient of it. I'm still on the fence on whether this is going to work for me. I'm really not a handheld bag type of person. I just like to sling my bags over my shoulder and be on my way. Depending on how heavy this gets, which I think it'll get pretty heavy because it's heavy right now just with the stuffing in it. And when a bag is that heavy, I don't want to carry it in my hands. I'd rather just sling it over my shoulder. So I'm gonna think about whether or not I should keep it. I'm curious to know if you have this handbag. Let me know in the comments if you like it, if you don't like it, what you love about it, what you don't love about it, and maybe that'll help me make my decision. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.